A mobster chef was posting his recipe videos online. He kept his face hidden, but he forgot about his hand tattoo. He had been on the run for 7 years. He was wanted in connection with drug trafficking for the Italian Mafia. The Italian police were able to track him down and he was extradited back to Italy for prosecution. Another mobster blogger was caught after posting a photo of his favorite cheese. Forensic experts were able to extract the mobster's fingerprints from the photo. He was tracked down, arrested, and put on trial.